We are trying to get to the bottom of the insertions, and that has been a little difficult, at least to say the least. And we intend to, of course, do something about it. It's just that the people have to know that there is a refusal on the part of the Committee Secretariat of the Committee on Appropriations of the House of Representatives to cooperate and to answer the questions that we are pursuing. And of course, they are not obeying our subpoena. As we have sent it to them, they even refuse to accept the subpoena. And of course, we can always issue preventive suspensions if we have to. In relation to this, actually, yung hard stance ng House sa Romualdez cases yan. Kasi inaano namin, pinapasapina namin yung record sa small committee at the Committee on Appropriations. At ayaw nila ibigay. Yan ang sinasabi ko. Kaya, hindi madali. Sinasabi ko nga sa inyo, hindi madali yung aming gawain dito. Pero hindi namin ina-atrasan yung kahit sino pa. Wala kami atrasan.
About isa rin ho dun sa inaabangan ng publiko ay yung pagsasampa rin ng kaso kay dating Speaker Martin Romualdez. Any update on that?
Nandiyan na yan. Meron na kaming dalawa pang kasong hinahanda tungkol dyan. Meron kaming isa pang money laundering case, mabigat. At of course, yung the grandest case of them all, itong pinakamabigat na kaso dyan, the conspiracy to defraud the treasury. Yun talaga yan, sa pamamagitan ng budget. Hindi madali ilatag yan. So we're being very careful about every premise that we make. Kasi first time ito gagawin sa kasaysayan ng Pilipinas na magkakaroon tayo ng ganitong klaseng kaso. Sisip ito yung kaso yung sinasabi namin. It's the grand case. Kaya probably we thought it easier before. But as days go by, we know how obstinacy can block everything. And right now they're being obstinate in the House, even for the records of the proceedings. Ganun na to. Ito yung mga hadlang na ating ino-overcome. At alam ko naman makukuha pa rin natin yan. Kaya lang, hindi nila ginagawang madali yung trabaho namin. Pinapahirapan kami, pero kasama yan sa sinumpaan naming tungkulin. At hindi kami na ano dyan. Hindi kami na hihinaan ng loob. Ano yan eh, it is a layman's explanation pa lang ang ginagawa ko. Wala pa tayong technical. The technical things about what specific provision and the terms that we will use to label the crime, that will come later. Sinasabi lang namin, that's the big case na kinakailangan matapos.